So Aldo fam, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to make a simple beret hat. If you're looking for some handmade Christmas presents, this is a perfect idea for you. And if you want to see how to make it, keep on watching. First thing I will do is cut out a circle. As you can see here, I just use my hat as my template. The fabric that I'm using is a fleece material. I got a yard of fabric and I actually made a bunch of hats. After I cut this out, I am going to cut another one and I'm just going to simply use the fabric here as my template. As you can see, I folded it in half and I'm going to cut out one more. And then I will cut out a circle right here in the middle. I just used a template that I made earlier and it's about 3 inches wide circle. The size of this is going to depend on how big your head is. And keep in mind that you have to add seam allowances as well, and the fabric will stretch, so you don't really need a big hole. After that, I am going to match it like this, and it doesn't matter which side just because it is the same, so just pick a side and then you are going to sew it all the way around. And then I'll go ahead and trim off the excess fabrics. Here I am using a pinking shear, and if you don't have it, you can just grade it all the way around, so when you turn it right side out, it's going to lay flat. The hat is pretty much done, but I decided to add a lining just for extra warmth. So the lining process is the same way like what I did on the main fabric or the fleece fabric. As you can see here, I am matching the right side of the hat and right side of the lining. I am just pinning it along the raw edges. I will leave this open so I can turn the hat right side out later on. I will sew it, stopping where the opening is so I can turn the fabric right side out. Now carefully turn it right side out. Be careful not to rip any thread. Adding lining actually gives it a professional finish. As you can see, the edges are nice and tidy. Now all I have to do is hand stitch this part right here and the hat is done. I really love how this turned out. My girls absolutely love wearing it when we went to New York. By the way, I added a stem on top of the hat, but that is totally optional. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you soon. Bye!